We're gonna he's making the entrance down into the river better. This old boy on this Bulldozer is a good operator. It was really just like a steep drop down in if you're watching in my other videos. And he's not done with this yet, but I gotta get across, get back to where we're drilling. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. And whoops, just scrape a rock on the bottom. See what happens here. Whoa, it's still a little steep. Not a lot steep. And the river's still flooded. Somewhat. Not bad. I'm not even in four-wheel drive. ¿Cómo le va? ¿Todo bien? Ok. Gracias. Okay.